Today we will show you how to install a boat cover. Before installing the cover, examine the boat for any sharp points that could puncture the cover. Cover these with an extra cloth or a foam pad. Find the ID tag front. This is the end of the cover to secure first. Stretch the rest of the cover towards the rear and over the sides of the boat, making sure it is centered and even on all sides. Locate and separate all of the tie-down straps. If your cover uses tie-down straps, separate them by length. You can either use straps over the top of the entire cover or only for the perimeter hem. If your cover has bell loops sewn onto the outside surface in the middle, thread the longest straps through those and secure the ends to the buckles. Next, use the shorter straps, taking the loop on the end around the trailer frame and thread the other end through the loop and up to the female buckle on the cover. Thread the strap in through the buckle, leaving it loose for now. For any low spots on the cover where water could pool, use a cover support system or pull if necessary for proper drainage. Before trailering your boat, be sure straps are secure and will not rub and damage the boat. Use padding at these contact points if necessary. Remove any support poles used. When removing the cover for storage, make sure it is clean and dry.